Hey everybody, welcome back to my channel. If you are new here or just stopping by, hello, my name is Jennifer. I'd love it if you stick around and subscribe to my channel. I do a giveaway every 100 subscribers and we are almost to 500 when I am filming this, which is awesome. So you already know from the title, today I wanted to do a quick little haul. Yeah. If you did not know, here on my channel I do a series called 31 Days of Halloween and I'm super excited for it. This shirt, by the way, is so cute. It says Momster, like, you know, monster, but it's mom, and I'm here for it. Also, if you're interested in this makeup look, it will be going up on, it'll be my next video, Wednesday, yes. So, anywho, 31 Days of Halloween. I love Halloween. I love spooky bitch season, obvi. It is the best part of my year. So, because of that, we do 31 Days of Halloween, which is basically I upload a different Halloween costume or makeup video all 31 days in October. It's really fun for me to do. I had a blast doing it last year. I did create a playlist for the 31 Days of Halloween that I did last year in 2019, and I'll be creating one this year. But if you guys want to see anything specific that I didn't do last year, please leave it down below. I do have all 31 days planned out, but not all of them are dead set in concrete. I want to do them. Some of them are just things some people have requested or things that I think I would like to do. But obviously I make videos to have fun and to show you guys what you want to see. So if you have a specific Halloween look or video you would like to see, please leave it down below in the comments and you could be included in 31 Days of Halloween. Anywho, moving on, world's longest intro. Today, from the title, you know, I'm going to do a little haul. Halloween is coming up, so a lot of this is, in fact, for 30 days of Halloween. It is nothing absurd, it is not huge, but it is fun, and it is beauty. So, let's jump into it. We're going to do the FX, like, Halloween makeup thing that I needed to buy. We're going to do all that at the end. To start off with, I just bought a duo pack. Is that what I call it? Total Face Sponge Duo from e.l.f. If you do not know, these sponges, the Total Face Sponges from e.l.f. are absolutely incredible. You need to try them if you have not already. A single sponge at my Walmart is $5 and I had two in my cart, and then I looked up and was like, there's a 2-pack and it's $8. So it is cheaper to buy the 2-pack. My trash can is across the room. Anywho, this is what they look like dry. I use them wet. It does say you can use them dry if you want to. They are incredibly soft, and of course when you wet them they get a lot bigger. And they're my absolute favorite for my face makeup, just so you know. Next, I picked up a pair of the Kiss false lashes. These are in the style So Flirty. Also, if you did not know, my favorite false eyelash of lifetime is the Kiss Ritzy lashes. I'm actually not wearing them today. I'm wearing some of their magnetic lashes in the style Charm. I'm pretty big fan of this magnetic lash thing that's happening. I want to get more pairs just to see how I'm feeling about them. But these looked super dramatic and fun, so I'm excited to try these. If you're a beginner or just sucky at false lashes like I am, Kiss has a really thin, like, invisible band that's really easy to maneuver. That's why Kiss is my favorite. Next, from Wet n Wild, this is their breakup proof, waterproof, retractable gel eyeliner. I do use these quite frequently on my channel, but I accidentally bought the wrong shade the first time I bought it, and I bought a black brown. This is just the blackest black, and I'm super freaking excited to have this. These eyeliners, I'm wearing the black brown in my waterline right now. They don't fucking budge. They don't move. They just stay. Wherever you put them, they just stay. And we love that. The last two things that I bought that weren't for Halloween, that wasn't for Halloween, that weren't for Halloween. This is a body fragrance mist and a body cream. These are from Bodycology. I love Bodycology. The Scarlet Kiss scent from this, I think it's been discontinued now. It was my absolute favorite. It smelled all dark and vampy and like berries. Oh, I love that one so much. And I also buy these quite frequently. They do make body washes and stuff like that. I buy these to take to work for my residents. They have really good scents, okay? But this is one of their fall scents. It's called Cozy Fireside S'more. And it says, return to the warm memory of a fireside s'more with the aroma of marshmallow, sandalwood, and a hint of milk chocolate. This smells so fucking good. I took a shower last night and shaved, and so of course I had to moisturize, and this is what I used. And this moisturizes super well. These are basically knockoff Bath & Body Works creams for like less than half the price. They're very thick. And then the mist is obviously in the same scent. It just smells so good. And they do last all day on me. Like I said, they're really affordable and I really, really like them. And of course they have pretty packaging. I'm just saying. That's all I'm gonna say. Also, random side note, I bought a new teasing brush. These are by Goody. The other one I have is a purple shade, and it sounds terrible, but I use it on my baby. I have a toddler, her name is Ellie, and I use the one I already had. It's purple, like I said. I use it to put her hair up just because these bristles are really good at getting all of her little baby hairs pulled back, and I can section really easy with this side of it. But I got sick. I'm just saying, I'm lazy. I got sick of always losing it because I would use it to do my hair and then I would have to track it down to do her hair, and it was constantly getting misplaced. She likes to play with it. It was a whole thing. So I just bought a second one and I didn't know they had them in black. So I had to buy a black one. This one will be mine. The purple one will be for Ellie. Got this. They're like $3. They're amazing. We love her. Now that we're done with the regular part of the video, we're going to move into the Halloween stuff. This is obviously not all I'm going to be buying or have already bought for 31 days of Halloween. This is just some stuff I found at my Walmart. They are still setting out a lot of the stuff for Halloween, I'm hoping. At my Walmart, I watch TikTok a lot and they have found a lot of really cute things. I want a lot of Halloween spooky throw pillows, and I've seen people finding them at Walmart and I just have not seen them, or the throw blankets, or the light projector thing. I'm distraught over it. But anywho, moving on. So Wet n Wild, if you did not know, every year they come out with a Halloween line. Fantasy Makers, I think is what it's called. Hopefully. It doesn't say. Fantasy Makers, yeah, sorry, I'm an idiot. So that is their Halloween line. They come out with it every year. I always buy a lot of stuff just because Wet n Wild is super affordable and they're like on a new level for such cheap things. Like for such cheap products, Wet n Wild really does have some awesome things in there. One of them, this isn't technically a new product. This is their Wet n Wild Beauty Sponge. But they came out with a bunch of really fun colors for Halloween. I obviously bought the black one. They had orange and green, and I think they had a white one. And, ooh, honey, don't get stuck and messed up. I think I'm going to end up buying some more of them, but I figured 3 sponges in one shopping trip was enough. But these are super nice, and they do have that flattened edge, which is what I like in a beauty sponge. And I just thought the black one was super cute and on theme with how my life goes. Oh. Wet n Wild also came out with these glitter gels. They did have a lot of shades. I only picked up 2. This is in the shade Fabulous, and it is just a silver glitter gel. I'm really excited to use this. And this one is called Bone Zone, and it is a white holographic. It has like way bigger chunks of glitter, and I'm so excited. It's just super freaking pretty. Both of them are. So I basically bought a silver and a white. This is, what is this? It's just called Colored Mascara. They did have several shades of this that I'll probably end up going back and buying a few more. But, oh, I like the matte. It's matte, except for the stars. The packaging is super cute this year. So this is just a colored mascara, and I got a white one. This is very specific for a few oh, that brush is flexible. I just flung white mascara everywhere. But I don't really need anything specific out of this mascara other than it making my lashes white and false eyelashes white and other things white. That's what we need her for. So hopefully that works out for me. And the last thing I got from the Wet n Wild Fantasy Makers collection this year were these face and body gems. I did buy several packs of these last year that were colored, and this year, yeah, these do have a name. Ghost Friends for Life. They're just really pretty. I don't know if you can see them. I'm trying so hard. Hold up. Can you see them down there? Ooh, ooh, ooh. I'm gonna just turn my light down. That didn't help. Kinda. Okay, so they're white, like a clear white pearl situation, and then like a little holographic silver moment, and they do have large ones down to really tiny ones. And let me fix my lighting. These are, they don't say how many come in them, and I don't feel like counting, but whatever. I bought 3 packs of them. I don't know if I'll use all of them or just the silver ones or just the white. I don't know, but they were like $1 a piece. So I bought those. That is all that I have so far from the Wet n Wild's Halloween collection this year. I only have 2 things left. One of them being this big ass bottle of liquid latex. This is 1 pint of liquid latex by Fun World. It was $8.24 if you couldn't see up there. I don't know how I feel about it. I did not use this last year. I used like the thick cream one, but this is really liquidy, so I'm hoping this will work out better for me this year, because that thick creamy shit last year was not my friend. It was not my friend. So I did buy this. I'm hoping, like I said, this works better than the cream one that I got last year, because it does seem pretty liquidy. I mean, it says liquid latex, but so did the other one, I'm just saying. And the other thing I bought was this red mouth colorant, also by Fun World. This was $2.44. I didn't see these last year, but do you know how handy this would come in? Would have come in last year, and hopefully will come in this year. This was $2.44, like I said, and I don't know, I haven't used it before, but it seems really nice. It just says to remove colorant from mouth, to rinse thoroughly with water, and then brush with toothpaste and a toothbrush. Yeah, and it just says to use soap and water to take it off of your skin. Oh, I did buy that. I am super excited. Like I said, I'm super pumped for 31 Days of Halloween this year. If you are too, I feel like my lighting is not right. If you guys are excited for Halloween as I am, please leave me a comment down below. And like I said, you can also request a Halloween look you'd like to see this year. But yes, that is all I have for this video. I just wanted to share some of the cool things I found at Walmart here lately. And sadly, listen, I have to go back out tomorrow. I try really hard to only go to the store like once a week and get like the groceries that I need and stuff like that, and like peruse the other stuff while I'm there since I'm already out. But I mean, you'll be seeing it later this week. There's just a lot going on in my house right now, and I had to go back out to the store to make my house look livable again. So, anywho, I'm going to stop rambling. I hope you liked the video. Make sure you give it a thumbs up down below if you do. If you did, words are hard for me. I'm going to get off of here and basically wash my face and go to sleep, because it's 1:30 in the morning, and edit. Yeah, so I hope you had a good time with me. Bye.